Hello traders, Mark Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date is the 23rd of February 2017. Just so you know, not every day I have a setup for you. I do my best to try and find setups on a daily basis. Sometimes they're just not there, and I'm not going to send out some junk to you if I don't believe in what I'm sharing with you guys. So some days, from time to time, there may be a little bit of a spell where I don't get those videos to you on a daily basis as normal, as I have done consistently for a long time. But you just need to know sometimes there just isn't the setups, and I don't want to deliver a ton of rubbish to you. So but today we've got something that is potentially setting up. We've got the dollar Swiss. Fundamentally, I like this trade. And this is what I call a trap break pullback. It's also a structure failure trap of sorts. And let me just draw your attention to this area on the chart. And also I want you to have a look at this level that I've highlighted in blue that's acted as resistance on several occasions, and then became support, and then bit of resistance, more support there, to be fair, support, breaks, drops down through that prior level back into what would then in many people's mind become resistance. If you're still with me, that's good. I hope I haven't confused you too much, and believing that would follow through to the downside. It's also off the 50% Fibonacci. So in the minds of the traders who are looking at this on the hard right edge, what is the hard right edge? The hard right edge is this, where we are right now, right? So what this would have looked like in real time, given that amount of information. People make judgments based on that historical price structure. So they make their moves in terms of analysis, and then at the hard right edge they're looking for some type of confirming price action that will actually get them to believe that what they think is going to happen, because they think something's going to happen because of all this historical analysis, right? They're trying to do technical analysis, and they're basing the decisions off of that. However, it's actually at the hard right edge, it's the entry cheese, the confirming price action. I refer to it as entry cheese. It's like crack to traders. It's what they need to see before they take some money, right? Before they risk some money. It excites them, gets them interested, gets you to pull the trigger and take the trade. If you don't get any confirming price action, then it's very difficult for somebody to make that judgment to take a trade. If you think about that, if someone's a retracement trader and they're eyeing up, let's say, a level, sorry about the quality of my drawing, but you get the idea. They're eyeing up a level, and let's pretend that that's a 60% fib as an example, right? 61% fib. They're thinking that this is going to make, it's been making a series of higher highs, higher lows. They think it's going to make a new high, right? And this is going to be the higher low. I'm anticipating that. However, if in this moment, when price sort of reaches their analysis in terms of where they think the price will react, if there is no confirming price action, generally speaking, people won't pull the trigger. There needs to be something. It needs to look at least as if it's starting to work, because otherwise, why would you do it? You wouldn't take the trade. Not too many people just trade placing orders nowadays. People get burnt by that. The market always goes a certain degree beyond where people place these orders. It's not a perfect science, right? Levels bust by several pips. Just take this area here, right? As price goes through the level, you put an order at that level perfectly, you're going to get tagged, and that's what people's generally their experience is of placing orders. So what happens is, sort of people, the evolution of the trader shifts a little bit more to wanting to see some type of confirming price action, just a glimmer, just something that makes them confident that what they thought was going to occur is actually going to have a go and try at least to play out. So entry cheese can present itself in several different ways. It can be a candle, it can be several candles formation, but the point is it's some type of reaction in and around an area where it would make sense to see some type of reaction. And then at the hard right edge, people take those trades, take some risk, and then the market goes strongly against them. So it traps traders in this area here. So if we get a pullback into this location, it's about the 10025 figure. This looks like a fairly decent trade. Just make sure you've got some strength in the coming into the dollar when you look at pulling the trigger, and maybe the stock market's heading north as well. Won't harm this trade. So I hope you've found that helpful, guys. As I say, if I'm ever short of setups, I won't probably publish, or I'll talk about I'll maybe talk about just setups in general. Maybe I'll do that to stop any interruption in the service. But regardless, there's today's video. If you'd like to learn more, click the link below. Come and join me in my new inner circle to learn the tactics that I share in there, and how you can learn how to really look at the markets in a completely different light, and always make sure when you're taking a trade that your opponents are in trouble. We've reverse engineered, we've hacked the strategies of many of the trading strategies that are out there, and if you'd like to come and learn more about that, I'd love to see you there. Take care.